Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property. I literally just came from the closing, so we came straight to the property. My property managers to check it out and get ready to fix it. The owner, she lived here for 30 years. It's been a family home for a long time, but her husband had passed away. You know, she was ready to move on. She's moving with her daughter, so just wanted to sell it. And she didn't want to have to fix it. She wanted to sell it in as-is condition for cash. She knew what she needed to get for it. We were able to make that work for her, and it was just a real easy, smooth sale. There was some title issues. There was an old mortgage that needed to be cancelled, but that's fine. We worked through it with the title company. We got that mortgage cancelled so we could close it, and here it is. So it's in reasonable shape. And if you see the videos of stuff I buy, like I buy some in pretty hard shape. So by my standards, it's in pretty decent shape. It's definitely going to need to be repainted. It's going to need flooring through most of it. But these are all things we do. She left. This is we closed, right? So this is what she left behind. She cleared out what she wanted and left the other stuff for us to deal with, and that's fine. We're happy to do that. So you know, definitely gonna. This is dated. You know, she's got the wallpaper. You know, which is like nice in its day, but that's not to today's taste. So look, we're going to fix this up. We already have our plans together. We're going to turn this into a rental property. We do love holding rentals. So me and my property managers and my team, we're going to come in here and we're just going to fix it up, make it really nice, rent it to a good tenant who's going to, you know, enjoy the property, and that's great. So guys, if you have a house you want to sell, you know, maybe you don't want to have to clean it out, you don't want to do the repairs, you just want to like sell it as is for cash, make it a really easy process, then reach out to us. Might be a great option for you. Check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. You'll see lots of information, frequently asked questions, and the like. So check it out and give us a call or fill in a form on our site if you want to chat about your property. Thanks so much.